SAFC Pro Academy and with Austin FC's Academy as well. The 17-year-old forward comes off the bench, replaces Lacey out on the right. And immediately makes a good impact. Mulatto, driven away by Dolan. Hernandez crossing, diving header away, picked up by Padilla, ball bouncing, make that Garza. Floated by Hawkinson.
Which creates that upward angle and off the crossbar.
August 2021, the last El Paso win against San Antonio. Picked up by Garza, who was all-tournament in the USL Academy playoffs last year. Hernandez just trying to get this out from beyond his feet. Akinyoti couldn't keep it. Ball toward Garza. Pulled down by Agadello. Championship appearance, mostly with Loudoun United. He comes in to try and get a little bit of breath into the lungs of midfield. With drops into Hawkinson. Advantage played. Vind Bickler playing in over the top. And ushered. Vind Bickler didn't have the support he needed centrally in Akinyoti. Agadello. Zacharias from Vind Bickler. Turning inside Garza. Agadello kept it moving. Lacava got chopped.
In there, have a touch, rework it, force El Paso out, relieve some of the pressure to open up some space, and then go vertical. Another splendid performance here this evening.
In front of the back line. 90 seconds remain. Calvillo.
He's got him right in front of him. Locking down those central locations, just the ever steady within the midfield to help gain control over this game in the dying minutes.
We're here again. Last gasp for San Antonio. All flicked on Hernandez. They'll let this play. Vind Bickler into the width. Last chance here. Lacava, cutback, got over the end line.